Hi everyone, I am Hemant. Welcome to 7 Words. In this video, I'll be demonstrating one of my project, retail billing software developed using Python, by which the retail stores can make their billing process easier. It has features like real-time inventory, and they can also check out the total sales. Therein, we have given a feature like a daybook, and they can also use this GUI to add or remove an item from their list. Let me start the demonstration. This is my inventory, and I can add the things to inventory, and the inventory is real time, so it gets updated as we check out the things from the store. So let me note the carrot has here the quantity is in grams, so it is 9 kgs. So let me check out 1 kg of carrot. And we also have a feature like auto price, where the price is set in the Excel sheet. We can change the price from the Excel sheet. We have predetermined price for each item, or we can manually enter the price also. We have all features where the retail stores can manually enter, or they can use the automated price. So I'll click the auto price, then I'll click the quantity, and I'll add here, and then let me check the sum. So it cost me 70 rupees, and I will check out by submit button. And now let us check the inventory. See, the inventory has been updated. The carrot has been reduced from 9 kgs to 8 kgs. This is real time inventory. And let me check the day book. So today's total sale is 70 rupees. Let me add another item from my inventory. So let me buy some mangoes. Let me buy mango. I'll click auto price, or let me manually enter. We can also do auto price is 100, so let me manually enter 120 rupees per kg. Let me buy some 2 kgs. The inventory has 6 kgs. If I buy 2 kgs, it will show me to 4 kgs. Some I'll submit. So inventory will show 4 kgs. It's showing 4 kgs, and today's total sale is 310 rupees. We have a clear option also to clear the entire list which we have added here. For example, let me show that also. So price, uh, see, we have given many warning features like invalid entry, and also I'll show many other warning features. So you can't add quantity in quantity 0. So there is a warning shown invalid entry. We have also many other warnings I'll be explaining further. You can't further reduce the grams also. That is also taken care of. And I will add, and I will be adding valid entry. Not mentioned here. Right? And if I click here, the entire list gets cleared. And this block is similar to our calculator where the total price is shown here. And this is similar to that. Let me show how to add items to my inventory. Let me add tomato, or I can even manually enter also. So let me enter some item like, let me enter my name itself, a month, give it yes, kgs, and let me give price. The new item is added to the inventory, that is Hemant. And when we add new items like beans or tomato, which is already been listed here, only quantity increases. No extra item is added. The price is 300, which is updated with the new price. And the quantity is added. Previously, it was 4 kgs. Now 10 kgs is added. The reset button just resets the whole thing. Tab. And this was about the retail billing software. Now let me show you how to install this on your system. You can just visit my GitHub account. There are 3 files. Let me show three files: the data XLX, the data Excel sheet, and inventory Excel sheet, and this Python. We need a editor, or we need to just run this Python file, and the same Python file. This Python file should be the same folder where the Excel sheets are stored. Let me show that also. You can see here I have created a folder Hello. Here I have created a new folder named Gahelo, and I have included three files from the GitHub. That is, one is Python file and two Excel sheets. I'll be explaining what is this Excel sheet one by one. We need to stop the Python running behind, the Python file running behind, to open this Excel sheets. As we are opening the what is that? We are manipulating the data inside Excel sheet using OpenPyXL. We need to stop the Python file running in the background. So let me open the inventory. I will explain one by one the data sheet. In this data, the requirement of this data sheet comes as we need a day book. That is, we need to know the what is the total sales of any particular day. For this, we need this Excel sheet. A new sheet is created for every day with its date, as you can see here. So what we have done today, that sales will be the entire day sales will be stored in this Excel sheet, and the total is shown when we click on the daybook button in our UI window. So this also helps the retail stores to calculate their total sales. Now let me show the other thing, that is inventory. Here this format needs to be the same because we have programmed according to this itself. We need three columns, and there is no limit for rows. The first two rows need to be empty, or we can give the naming what I have given, inventory item quantity price, for our information. We are programmed leaving this to the first two rows. We are programmed for all other rows. And the main thing to use this software or this code is to you need to install OpenPyXL, as it is not pre-installed. And as soon as we click run, it will work fine. That's all about this project. That's all about the project. And this was our retail billing software, which was developed using Python. And thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions or any feedback, please feel to provide in the comment section. And also you can use my project by visiting to my GitHub page, which I'll be mentioning in my description and the comment section also. Thank you for watching.